Hey everyone, welcome to the Mariel Hider. My name is Mariel. In today's video, I'm going to do a makeup look with the Smoke Sessions palette by Melt Cosmetics. I can't tell you how long I've been looking for deep green, cruelty-free and vegan eyeshadows. There are some olive tones out there that I like. There are a couple of greens in my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. And when I saw the colors in here, I pretty much lost my damn mind. We have the warmer yellow toned brownish green over here, and this beautiful like blue emerald green, this amazing frosty mint color. And I mean, all of the metallic ones, they're just gorgeous too, but those were the ones that really spoke to my soul, so I had to get this. Hopefully they will restock this. I'm just gonna talk about it as I go in. I have my full face on, so we're just gonna do eyes. For this look, I'm going to use a concealer as a base. I like to use the Kat Von D or Wet n Wild concealers on my eyeballs because my eyelids are a little greasy, so I need something that dries quickly so I can apply eyeshadow on it without getting a very notable crease. I usually just use an eyelid primer from Lily Lolo for all of my eyeshadows, but for some reason I have a feeling that this is gonna look much better if I use concealer. I'm gonna use my Cover FX concealer brush to apply this. I like to go in thin layers, and I buff the concealer in with my Mr. Handyman MOTD brush. So the first color I'm gonna use is Space Queen right here. It's this deep blue-green that's just blowing my mind. I'm gonna apply this in my crease with the eye-catching crease brush by MOTD. So I'm gonna be careful with this because it looks so pigmented. I have to work very gently. I don't want a lot of fallout, if this has any fallout. Now, as I'm going along, I'm noticing that it's already kind of blending away a little bit. Whew! That is so dark and gorgeous. Now, the only thing that worries me is that I think it's gonna move a lot when I blend it out, so I'm gonna have to be really careful. I'm gonna blend it out with the E36 Sigma blending brush. If you have small eyes, hooded eyes, this brush is a must. It's a super tiny blending brush. It's just amazing to work in small spaces, in little corners, little eyes like mine, so get it. I don't know, I feel like it kind of skips when I'm blending it out. Like I have to go really slow and have to be really careful. So this eyeshadow will probably give you a little bit of trouble if you're in a rush. Like, take your time with this one. I'm seeing darker patches, and the rest of the shadow is kind of blending out a little bit too much. I'm gonna have to go in again, repack it on. I really wish this palette would have had another matte shade. One or two would have been great. I saw Raw Beauty Christie's video tutorial and she said the same thing, and I agree. I really would have loved a matte mint green and probably like a matte mustard color, but I think those are in the Gemini palette, so I understand why they're not here. So I'm not gonna lie, this eyeshadow color is a little finicky. Like, it's really deep here. It's kind of melting down. This could be the concealer's fault, but this doesn't usually happen. Okay, Space Queen. Be gentle with this color. You're gonna have to move her around softly and, you know, apply with care. Okay, I'm gonna grab my concealer again and my Cover FX concealer brush. Take off the excess here in the back of my hand. And I am going to cut my crease. So I'm gonna get my Pigment Packer by MOTD, and I'm just gonna go from Blue Dream to Sweet Tooth to Mean Green. Oh my gosh, okay, a little bit of fallout. Again, I don't care about that. I'm just gonna press it on. Okay, now we have Sweet Tooth. Look at that shade of green. Ooh, yeah. That's like a mid-tone green that I'm not a very big fan of, but I don't like it when it's matte. I like it in this metallic finish though. Ooh. Okay, now Mean Green. Oh, this is like the perfect forest green. Ooh. Let's put that out here. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with Space Queen and just marry this little edge. Okay, now we're gonna go on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna start with Gravity GOG over here in the end, and I'm gonna start here in the inner corner with my Sigma Short Shader E20 brush. Don't dip in too hard to these eyeshadows, they are a little softer. This may need a little Hydro Mist so it can really shine. Okay, now we're talking. It's shining a little brighter. Next, I'm gonna go in with Granddaddy right here. These colors are kind of similar, so it'll be really hard for you to tell the difference on camera. Now I'm gonna go in with Black Widow right here. It's a little deeper. Maybe this one will show up more. Okay, now last color is Sour Diesel right here. I love that name. Let's punch that in here. Ooh, this turns into almost a black shade, but I love that. I love that it's a yellow brown because sometimes a dark black is just too intense. I'm gonna blend that out again with my Sigma blending brush. This does have fallout. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to clean up here a little bit, but that's just because, I mean, the eyeshadows are softer. Alright, I think I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna put on some liner. I have a green melt liner that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put on some lashes and some mascara, of course. Yeah, it's just such a good selection of greens. And I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking smoky. I got my lashes on, and in case you're curious, on my lips I'm wearing the Bitter Cherry gloss from Lime Crime and Platform by Lime Crime. This is a really good long-lasting liner, and I love these glosses. In conclusion, the eyeshadows are freaking beautiful. The mattes, they are a little finicky. I would say that if you are someone who doesn't have patience to like really sit down and carefully apply eyeshadow, if you're someone that hates anything that has fallout, skip this because I had to do a little cleanup. I wish I would have done my eyeshadow first and then my foundation. I usually start with my eyeshadow. So yeah, that would have made things much easier. What else? I think the metallic shades are just freaking stunning. Overall, I'm very happy that I got this. I can't wait to use the eyeshadows in another way, and that's about it. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video with a friend. I would really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video, and until then, bye.